And let me just say this, the brown looks really good on your girl. It's popping, and that's all that I'm gonna say, okay? But anyways, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? And let me just go ahead and get this out the way. If this isn't your first time visiting the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so we can be kinfolks, okay? First and foremost, y'all excuse me, I have been looking crusty, so today is the day that I'm finally getting myself together, okay? But first things first, let's go ahead and do our bald cap method. We are going to start by putting our wig cap on, cutting slits in the ears, poking those ears out, and now we're gonna go in with our got to be glued hairspray so that we can mold that cap, because we just want everything just to be looking good, to be looking like scalp, okay? I know y'all heard me say this multiple times in my other videos, but I'm serious. We want everything just to be flawless, okay? But to save time, you guys know I like to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I like to blow dry the wig cap and the got to be so that everything again is just molded and easy to work with, easy to lay the wig on top of. So yeah, after the wig cap is dry, we are going to go in with some bronzer or a powder that's more so our skin tone, and we are just going to add that on top of the wig cap just because we want everything again to look like scalp, and the color of my scalp is the color of my skin, I think. Well, it's similar, okay, but we want everything to blend. That's all that I'm saying. I just want everything to blend and look perfect, you know. But after we add the powder to our wig cap, we are going to go and cut off any of the excess. So anything that we don't need, we are going to cut. I just like to cut literally around the face, because all of that around my face I don't need, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, I think I want to go ahead and get into weekly vlogging. I think that, you know, vlogging during the week, like I be doing stuff, but I don't really be doing stuff, but I be doing a little bit of stuff. I just think that y'all would enjoy, you know, hanging out with me during the week, kind of seeing my routine, how my life is as a single mom of 2 boys under the age of 5. Oh my gosh. So I just felt like, you know, maybe this is my time. Maybe this is my time to get out there and vlog and just, you know, maybe encourage you ladies. I have actually been feeling very encouraged sitting at home watching vlogs and watching other people. So I decided that maybe that's something that I should bring to my channel. I know I've shared my travel vlogs with you guys, and when I watch my travel vlogs back, y'all, I'll be cracking up. So I hope that y'all enjoy them, but it makes me want to keep going for you guys. It makes me want to share more of my life and, you know, my kids and stuff, because, you know, we be having a good time. We're always doing stuff, and, you know, I just want y'all to get to know me. So I felt like, you know, just some weekly vlogs, even if it's 3 days out of the week or whatever, I think y'all would really enjoy that. So go ahead and let me know in the comments down below how y'all would feel about that. Now, I know because I was blabbing about vlogging, you guys, I didn't get a chance to explain to you guys a few steps before, but I did go in just with some wig bonding glue, and I did dots around the cap around my hairline. Well, actually like a little further up from the hairline, because, you know, we want to have hair when we're done wearing our wigs and stuff like that. But I let that glue dry down, then I added another coat, went and smoothing it out, and now here we are putting the wig on, you guys. I did already cut the lace off the wig, and I washed it and stuff like that, and the hair did good under pressure. That's all I'm gonna say. It did good washing and all of that, and I let it air dry, but I will be blow drying it straight here shortly. But anyways, you guys, let's get into some of the details from this wig. First things first, this wig, the brand is FTQ ZK. I have no idea why they have that name. Like, what is FTQ ZK? I don't know. I'm not gonna ask them questions. Maybe I should ask when I leave the review. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, this is the brown straight lace front wig. It's a 13x4 transparent lace front. This is human hair. The length is 18 inches, and I did get this wig off of Amazon for about $120. So I do feel like it was a good buy. I can see myself wearing this wig more than once, which you guys will probably end up seeing, because I fell in love with the color brown. Y'all know me, I normally go with black hair, straight black, jet black if I can, because that's just my natural hair color. But y'all, this brown is really nice, and I like the way that it felt. It was very soft, and there wasn't a lot of there wasn't a lot of fallout coming out as I was blow drying the hair, but it was really nice. And I did go ahead and take my hot comb and run it over the front without adding any product, and it did all right. So you know, you will have to add a little bit of product. Don't add too much, but just add a little bit of maybe edge booster or something like that, just so that the front can be bone straight. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. I have been kind of going back and forth on whether or not I want to switch from using an electric hot comb to using them old school hot combs, because when I've been seeing some of these other girls do their wig tutorials, I'm like, dang, for it to be bone straight, y'all taking it back to them stove top hot combs. And you know what, I think my mama got one, so I might have to pull up on her and say, yo sis, let me get that hot comb. It ain't like you using it. I'm sure, you know, I gotta blow the dust off of it a little bit, but that's okay. Hand it over. And she might as well pass that hot comb down anyway, judging by the way that she used it on me when I was younger. Okay. Whew. And if you know, you know. If you know about the hot comb, you know about the hot comb. But anyway, y'all, look at the way that this hair has melted. This hairline has melted. I really y'all, I think I really did a good job on this wig. That's what I'm gonna say. So if you feel the same way, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave in the comments down below what y'all think. Do y'all like this color? You know, just give me your thoughts on this wig. And while you at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna be telling y'all that often. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can be kinfolks, especially if this isn't your first time visiting my channel. Like, if this is your second, third, or fourth time and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that we can be kinfolks, so that you guys can just come and kick it with me. Because again, like I said, I'm gonna be putting out more content. I'm gonna be putting out weekly vlogs and stuff like that. So, you know, stop hating from the back, stop just silently watching, and go ahead and subscribe. And you know who you are. You know who you are. So I'm not gonna name names because that's gonna take too much time, but you know who you are. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But look, y'all, this hair was very soft, easy to work with, like I said before. And they said that the lace came transparent, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If y'all looking for me to lie to y'all, that's not here on this channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the truth. I had to bleach the lace. I'm not really good at bleaching the lace, or I would have showed y'all how I did it, but I did have to go through and bleach the lace. So it was a little time consuming, but I did do it, which is another reason why I ended up you know, washing the wig and, you know, cutting the lace and stuff like that, you know, just so that it can be properly prepped for you guys. And start doing that more anyway, but you know, mainly because I had to bleach the knots. But other than that, everything seems to be going very well with this hair. I wore it for quite some time. I wore this hair for, I want to say, like a good week and some change, and it did good, y'all. We even traveled with this wig, as y'all could see from the vlog, to North Carolina, which, if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that up here so that you can click on it after this video, because North Carolina was nice. Me and my homegirl Raj had a really good time. But anyways, y'all, back to this hair. Like I said, it did really good, you know, on vacation. So if you are looking for a unit that's like $120 or less or whatever, I would say go ahead and purchase this brown hair or this brown wig by listen, I'm just not even gonna say the name again, because when I look at the name and I get ready to say the name, I just want to be like, like, y'all know, I just want to start rapping. And that's not what we're here for. We're not here to be in the studio on the channel. So that's what it is. But y'all know I got y'all. I will link the description. I will link the link. That's what I need to say. I will link the link in the description box down below so that you guys can have full access to this wig. So if you want to try it, go ahead and do your thing. Try it out, because it did what it was supposed to do for me. So I'm sure if you're looking for something different and expensive, nice length, nice creative hair, this hair would be nice and easy to work with. So yeah. Y'all, I was so proud of myself as I was curling these little baby hairs, because if y'all watched the last video of me doing installing that supernova hair, y'all see me burn the mess out of my forehead. Like, Jesus Christ, it was crazy. But this time I was like, okay, listen, girl, slow and steady wins the race. Be slow, be smart, don't go too close to the forehead, because you need that forehead. Whew. Y'all, so I did it. I'm very happy. So as you guys could see, they did say that this wig came pre-plucked, but I had to go back and pluck some more just so that it can be a little bit more tailored to my hairline. I didn't have to go in too much, but just enough so that we don't be running around here with no thick hairlines. Naturally, my real hairline in real life is not that thick, so I don't want my wigs to be giving off that type of impression. So if you need to, don't be afraid to go and pluck your wigs, even if they've already said that it's pre-plucked. Just don't even listen to that. Make sure everything looks good to your liking and stuff like that, because you're the one that has to wear these wigs. So I appreciate them taking the time to pre-plucked, but your girl just had to go in and do like a little bit more. But for the most part, everything was good. Everything is curling, swooping, and doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and I really appreciate that. Now, I think I was plucking a little too hard right there and accidentally lifted the lace, but I went ahead and got that fixed up. So while that's drying, we're gonna go ahead and percolate to the other side so that we can be a little bit more gentle, but also get the job done when it comes to plucking around that hairline, so that everything just looks the way that it's supposed to. Looks good and natural. Now, I don't know if any of y'all have a widow's peak, but I do, and I be feeling lost. Like, I be feeling so lost when I don't have my widow's peak, because when I wear my natural hair, I have my widow's peak. So with my wigs, I just feel like I need to do that extra little swoop right there in the middle, that widow's peak. So if you are like me and have a widow's peak and don't know how to create that with your wigs, this is how I do mine. I don't use too much hair or anything like that, but just a little bit and a little swoop right there just gets the job done. Makes me feel like my good old self, you know what I'm saying? Now, to lay my edges, a lot of people use mousse and stuff like that. I don't care to use a mousse, because I just feel like, why am I using something like super wet? And I don't like to have to put my edges back on every single day. So what I am using is the olive oil curl and weave, it's the lace bonding one. So if you go to Walmart, you will literally see it in the aisle where all the African American hair products reside, okay? And it's just olive oil. They have two, so make sure you don't get the one that's for the castor oil unless you want to strengthen and moisturize your hair. Y'all, I be so nervous doing my voiceover or just doing anything for y'all, so I am still working on all of that. So I be not thinking and just be saying my words quickly, so yeah, and it's honestly, I ain't gonna cap, it's because I be nervous. I'm still new to this, but I'm not new to this, if that makes sense. Like, I've been doing YouTube for a minute, but being consistent and really just showing my personality and showing y'all who I am on my videos is something new. So I do stumble on my words a lot and stuff like that, and it's not because I'm stupid or ignorant. It's just because y'all, every time I do a video and do voiceover for y'all, it feels like the first date all the time. So I love it here though, so that's all I gotta say. But anyways, y'all, I went ahead and swooped these edges. Everything is looking good, and here is the hair. As you can see, like I said, it doesn't have any fallout or anything like that, and I really like that. So y'all should definitely pick this wig up if you are looking for something inexpensive and something that you can wear for the fall, because this brown is giving me fall, is giving me, you know, it's giving me real cute fall and winter vibes. I really like brown, or even like a black on me. But yeah, but y'all go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is this is the wig. Now, the only thing that I did not like about this wig is it didn't have many options when it came to parting. I don't really do too many things with my wig. It's either gonna be a side part or a middle part. But if I'm being completely honest with y'all, I really like a deep side part. So I think my next wig is going to be a super deep side part. When I originally looked at this wig on Amazon, it actually did show that it had a deep part. So then when I got it, I was like, okay, this is gonna do what it's supposed to do. It's gonna give me a deep part, but it didn't. That does not mean that I don't love this wig or that it didn't work for me. It just means that I prefer a deeper part, and that's okay. So I think that you know, the next unit that I get, I'm gonna need you know, a 13x4 deep on every side, you know, just so that I can have more options. I actually know how to style, you know, hair and wigs, even though I just be giving y'all straight, curly and stuff. I know how to do more things, so I really want to showcase that more for you guys. And with that being said, you know, I just need to get a wig that has more of a free part. But anyways, you guys, this is the hair, this is the video. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me. I truly appreciate you guys' love and support, and don't forget to check out some more of my content after you subscribe and hit the little bell on the side, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.